Today we talk about a special bag that I did not buy for me. I bought it for my girlfriend because she asked me to buy this. And I will tell you right away, she regrets it a little bit. This bag, I think it's all about design and the fact that you think you have something good, but really it's not really practical. So as you can see, it's a Herschel, so it's a brand that it's really on the marketing side, and as you can see, it has a look kind of old, like with these straps. You think they are genuine leather, but as you can see, this is just looks. This doesn't have any purpose at all. And now we begin to touch the thing about this bag and this brand. It's all about the looks, and it's all about the form and not at all the function. If I focus on this, but really it's the whole bag, as you can see, it's a magnet, so it seems pretty cool. I love magnets. But the problem is when you overfill the bag, this will always open. Sometimes you cannot even close it, and you are on the streets, and this is just like this. Sometimes both of them they are like this. So anyway, it was just a small introduction about kind of the feeling of this bag. It looks really good. I have no problem with that. The materials are cheap, I think. My personal bags are way better materials. Maybe they cost a little bit more, but this is not cheap, I think. The straps are okay. I think they are straps kind of a Chinese normal bag, nothing really special about it. They are kind of well padded, but the materials are so cheap. This bag, I think, may cost like a fraction of the price. If you don't see Herschel on this, you will buy it for $5 maybe. As you can see here, it's all plastic. It's really shitty. Nothing fancy about this. On the back, you have no padding at all. So here is good padding. Here, nothing at all. This is a black one, but you have many different colors. It's all about marketing, like I said. Here on the outside, you have a little pouch here, which is not closed. So it's just like this. You can put, like she did, I think, a paper, that's all. That's all you can fit in here. And then, what's more on the outside, you have here a little hole to put your MP3 cable. So I think it's kind of a thing of the past, but you can do it. Or maybe just a USB cable and you have your battery inside. And nothing really more about it on the outside. Just plain black, not so high quality tissue. When you open it, so with the two straps, it's magnet. So it's not the safest thing also when you don't want someone to get into your bag. The thing is you have only one pocket. As you can see, there is this little loop. I put a pillow inside just to show you the fit of this bag. Here you can see the pillow. Anyway, we don't care. And coming back on the inside, you have, I may agree, this tissue, which is a really nice color. I think that you have to love it. Either you love it or you hate it. But it's original. And as you can see, it's just a plain hole. Nothing inside, just a hole. And not much more about it. You have here on the side a little pocket, as you can see here. And then you have this is a good point, you have a very, very well padded laptop compartment. So it's really, really, really padded. So it feels so nice to the touch. It's all black, but as you can see here, and it's written "Welcome to Herschel." So as you can see, we are in the Always the same thing, marketing, marketing, and marketing. And that's about it. So you have this backpack. Some may love it because of the looks, but the function, I think nobody will agree this is the best function. Like, you put all your gear inside, and then when you want to access something, you have to take out everything, and just to take your little thing that was on the bottom of your bag. And so this is like the feedback of my girlfriend after using it for some time. And now that I showed her some way better backpacks, she never come back to this one. I think we will sell it because, yeah, nobody uses it. It's not good. So sorry for Herschel, but this is not function. This is only form, and that's it, and marketing. So yeah, I think I will stop here because I have nothing more to say about it. This was kind of a backpack that I dislike. I agree that the look is nice because it's a look from the 60s or maybe less, I don't know. But yeah, anyway. Some more videos will come, maybe on a new brand that I really like. So I'm a fan of Peak Design hair, and I have seen another brand which is Alpaca. So maybe new videos about Alpaca coming soon. Anyway, this was the Herschel. I don't remember the name of the backpack, but it's kind of all the same. See you in the next one. Bye bye.